Welcome to Puzzle Time. Tony's last episode today. We've got a great puzzle for you guys. Check it out.
This is the barcode burr. And
the pencil puzzle. Right there. Cool. Check it out in today's episode.
what up, puzzle timers? Make sure you like, subscribe, click that bell for notifications.
Welcome to episode 85 of Puzzle Time with Tony and Tyler. This is Tony's last episode, actually.
Final episode.
Yeah. Next week, Linnea, my sister, will be filling in for Tony here on Puzzle Time.
Nice.
Yeah. So let's get into today's episode, Tony. Let's. Do you want to start? We're showing some stuff from Pacific Puzzle Works today.
Hold on.
What?
What about these, man?
We'll talk about this a little later.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. We'll talk about them later. I just wanted to do the puzzles first, and then we'll get it as I spit. So yes, let's do this. Pacific Puzzle Works. We are going to do the pencil puzzle along with a few others. So I wanted to show this puzzle because I think it's actually quite a neat looking puzzle. It's a level 8 on the Puzzle Master difficulty rating scale. It's a wood puzzle. No finish. Hey, I like the raw kind of wood feel to it. And so you pull the top out real easy. And then the bottom even comes out.
Yeah.
Don't take it. Oh.
No, you can, right? It all kind of...
It just kind of...
I thought it like accordions. Yeah,
it does. Okay. It does. But like the pieces individually come out too, right?
Yeah, I don't want to do all that.
But like, yeah, that's pretty cool. I like that.
Yeah,
or like accordions out.
Take it apart.
So now, Tony, the thing is, so each of these you pull out and you can see they interlock like that, right?
Yeah.
So there's different heights on all those. And then the pieces that interlock here are not uniform. You look, there's some that are different.
Mm-hmm.
So the interlocking pieces here are different too.
Whoa.
Whoa. So I actually really like this puzzle. I think it's quite unique, quite interesting. And this Pacific Puzzle Works now, we got a whole bunch of new stuff in from them, and there are some great puzzles in there. So yeah, the pencil puzzle, really simple, but I thought it was quite cool, and I like the idea of the interlocking stuff. I think it'd be more neat if this was like colored pencil, like it would look like a pencil crayon.
Oh yeah,
I think that'd be pretty cool.
Yeah.
But
Get a couple
I
colors.
also do like the raw wood look. So that's one of them. The pencil puzzle, level 8, Pacific Puzzle Works. Tony, we want to talk about this one now. This is one you were playing with.
Yep, ship one of these out.
It's called the barcode burr. Now, I couldn't figure out what, I was playing with it a little bit and I couldn't figure out nothing on it. But Tony, you got it to move.
Yeah, all the, you kind of just play with the black pieces. All the black pieces move. So you
got
to figure out
buttons,
like what sequence.
Yeah, there's like a sequence to getting them out.
Yeah.
See, now you did the sequence backwards there. That's why this one's stuck out. Yeah. You got to push that one in first, and then the other one goes in.
Yeah, so that one comes out.
Yeah.
And then I was trying to figure out what the next one is, but that's as far as
I couldn't get it either any further.
Yeah.
But yeah, barcode burr. It's a 3D printed one. So this is the first pencil one is wood. These are 3D printed. Show a close up.
Yeah, you can kind of see how they interlock into the gray pieces there as well.
Throw it real close, Give them the texture. And you can see the Pacific Puzzle Works logo. Pacific Puzzle Works is by a guy named Lee Krasnow. I don't know much about him. We don't have anything else by him on our site. But yeah, that is the barcode burr. Now let's show off some of these other ones. Now, Tony, the one you're calling the Mitsubishi puzzle, what is that actually called?
I thought this was cool.
Yeah, it looks like the Mitsubishi logo.
The 12-piece separation puzzle.
Yes, and it is the hardest of the group. So it's a level 9. 12-piece separate. So obviously there's 12 pieces in there, and there's one that releases. Yeah. I suspect this one's not going to be hard to take apart. It's going to be very hard to put back together.
Very hard to put back together. I was not into these. I thought it was kind of cool that like all the signs look like the Mitsubishi.
Yeah, it looks like the Mitsubishi logo, kind of like over and over, which I thought was really interesting. Yeah, you noticed that. So yeah, level 9, that's the hardest of them all. And then next is the Cluster Buster. This is a level 8. We couldn't get anything moving on this one. It's like these, I don't even know what shape that is, but yeah, couldn't get nothing moving on it. We were playing with it for a little while there.
It's all about the soft touch on these ones.
It is, it really is. Like, I mean, sometimes if you just slowly move stuff, you can feel a bit of movement, but I got nothing on this one.
Yeah, spend a good 20 minutes trying to figure that one out.
Yeah, I mean, that's hard. So this is a level 8. And then next is the Starburst. Now this one's nuts, okay? So it's also a level 8. And there is a release rate. Is it right there? No. Where is it? Right here. Boom. So it comes in half like that. And then if you look at the halves, now there's 2 black pieces and those are separate pieces. So all of this separates out like that.
Hey man, don't take too much apart.
So I don't want to take too much apart, but they like, and I played with this. Linnea actually, when me and Chuck were shooting it last week for our Facebook Live, she took one apart. I was like, crap. When I tried, and it was hard to get back together. But yeah, so that's the Starburst. It's a little smaller, you can see, than some of these other ones size-wise. Like the Cluster Buster and this 12-piece one are a little bigger. Tony, you show yours off. You like this one, yeah.
Oh, I thought this was really cool.
It's no, this is not a hard one.
No, not at all. But we've had slide puzzles before where the 3 pieces interlock.
Yeah, but it's like a double interlocking.
Yeah,
there's
so
2 flat
cube inside a cube.
Yeah, that's kind of what it is. And then like the white, it's just 3 pieces. It has a really cool movement on it.
When if you've seen the way that 3D printing is done, they have to create this structure. So I thought it was really cool in the way that they sort of design the puzzle around the way that the printer prints.
Yeah, absolutely. And I like the funnel kind of, like it's like the funnel pieces that go sideways almost in there. It's really, really interesting. So I love that. It's great puzzle. Like you said, they played with like the 3D printing.
Not quite as smooth as the metal ones. But
not quite, but I mean,
get into different designs.
It's surprisingly smooth for 3D printing, I'll say that. So these are all really, really good puzzles. And then last but not least is the corner cube. Now I was playing with this before. I could get, there it is, right there. That's the movement right there. Oh, come on.
Almost.
It's close, but see, once you find it, there we go, right like that. So it comes apart on each side. So it's 6 pieces.
So brave, man.
Yeah. So there, back together. I played with them quite a bit before with Chuck, so I feel confident with these ones. Yeah, the 3 smaller ones. So the interesting thing about these 3 smaller ones, 3 pieces, 6 pieces, 12 pieces. So it's kind of like numerically increasing. Ooh. Again, 12 pieces. I'm not sure how many this one is. And again, not sure what this one is either. And I'd love to find, I'd love to find the movement on it, but yeah. Okay, so yeah, that's Pacific Puzzle Works. That's what we're showing you guys today, and that is all of them. They are new on the Puzzle Master site, puzzlemaster.ca. Go there to get yours, because I do know that they are selling quick, and we don't have a lot of these left. So definitely get yours while you can. Yeah. Okay. All right. No luck. Nah. Okay, on to the online box, and now we're gonna start with what we referenced before, the shirts. These are from What Did I Get Myself Into? They sent them to us. So What Did I Get Myself Into is a YouTube channel. So go check out their channel. It is really good. We love their stuff and feel like they need more subscribers, man, because the videos they make are great. So essentially it's a father-daughter combo. They gave us this letter, Tony and Tyler, addressed to us, that came with this stuff. A little thank you. And it says, hello, Tony and Tyler, hello. I wanted to say I enjoy your puzzle time videos. It's very informative. I especially wanted to say thank you for all of the plugs and support. For a new puzzler and YouTuber, it's so nice to have that support. Thank you, Tanner and Geneva. What did I get myself into? So Tanner and his daughter, right there. Thank you guys. That is gonna go on our shelf here.
Right next to our Chris Ramsey
stuff. Yeah, Chris Ramsey, the fork that Curtis bent.
Oh, we got the 3D printed thing from Oscar.
Yeah, we're getting quite the collection of fun little things. So yeah, thank you, Tanner. Thank you, Geneva. Keep up the good work, man. We love your videos and want to see more of them. So great work. Thank you for the shirts. We will wear these from time to time. Love the little thing there. And they fit pretty well too.
Yeah, good size.
Cool. Okay, next. I was on Downtime Fun. Now we've talked about Downtime Fun on our channel here before. They have a YouTube channel. It's this dude who does stuff, and a lot of the videos he's doing are like with music over them and no talking. I love his stuff, and I watch How to Solve the 5L Box by Jürgen Reich. Now he 3D no, he made out of acrylic, an acrylic version of the puzzle, which I like the acrylic version a little better as far as looks, but this is the puzzle that he does. And it's like these 5 L's, and he's got to pack them into the box. This is by Siebenstein Spiel. He did his own version out of acrylic that he found.
Oh, I saw this one.
Yeah,
I know how to do this one.
It was good. It was good. We won't show the solution here. Go to Downtime Fun, watch it. And I want to show a bit more of this, but I like this puzzle actually. I don't know if I like the wood one as much.
Ah, man, I almost like it more now.
You think?
I'm looking at it,
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, they're great though. It's a good puzzle. Trust me, check it out. And we're gonna have more with that on our channel. I'm gonna do something. We're gonna figure out something because I like that puzzle. Okay, so check out Downtime Fun. Next, Tony, I went to Etsy, and there was a guy named Andrew Parr. Now, Andrew Parr is one of like the puzzle guys. He's on that. If you go on Facebook, actually, there's a group called Puzzle Friends. He's on there.
Nice.
And that's where I found this. So Puzzle Friends is really good. It's a lot of like, they're really like guys with the inside puzzle knowledge and some like the really good designers. It's kind of the in guys in the puzzle world. So go there. But I went to Etsy, and Andrew Parr has a page on Etsy, or a page that he calls Lego Nerd Puzzles. Sorry, Lego Nerd Puzzles.
All right.
And he just makes puzzles out of Lego.
Oh yeah,
and like really nice.
Cool.
There was like an American flag one. Yeah. They're great, really well reviewed, and you can just buy the puzzles there. Oddly enough, Andrew is Canadian, like us. We are Canadian. Andrew's from a place called London, Ontario, not to be confused with London, England, but in Ontario, which is a province in Canada, there's a tiny little town called London, and he is from there. So
moving out to your neck of the woods, Andrew.
Yeah, check Andrew out though. He's really good. The Lego Nerd Puzzles on Etsy.
Nice.
Okay, last. There's been there's a new thing going on YouTube where they're doing something called hashtag shorts. Yeah.
1 minute videos.
1 minute videos. Yeah, it's kind of like, I think their way of like competing with TikTok and some of these places. It's not quite as good as TikTok, I'd say.
Yeah, it'd be nice if they threw them all into a reel so you could just...
Yeah, exactly.
Search a topic or something, yeah.
The nice thing from a YouTuber's perspective, though, is that it can direct people directly to your YouTube channel. Mm-hmm. So it's like connected, right? And you post them on... So it's a way of like kind of going a little closer to what you're already doing if you're shooting on YouTube. But Puzzle Guy and some of the other YouTubers, I believe Chris Ramsey, and I'm sure Mr. Puzzle are on there as well, just doing these hashtag shorts. So check them out. I watched, and Tony, you watched it with me, Puzzle Guy's IQ test. Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's blowing up, man. It's got like 5 million views, 5.5 million views at this time. Go check it out. It's just a really simple puzzle, wood with string and a ball and a ring.
Did you know how to solve it before?
No, I didn't.
No?
No.
Yeah.
I enjoyed his video. Check it out and look for more of those hashtag shorts. I think we're going to be getting into them here at Puzzle Master, so keep an eye out for those. And that's all I got today. That's it.
Nope. You missed one.
No, I did. I did. Tony's right. It's reminding me. He's on the ball. We have our draw. Go to episode 82.
82.
And you can win yourself a Puzzle Master shirt.
And
one of these ones. And we have lots of sizes and a mystery puzzle. And yeah, we'll reveal the mystery puzzle later, probably on episode 86. We're doing the draw next week.
Linnea's first episode.
Yeah, Linnea's first episode will be our draw episode. So keep an eye out for that. Go to episode 82. Like it, comment, and subscribe.
From the comments, leave something funny.
Yeah, leave a good comment. Probably Linnea will choose it.
Yeah,
you're not going to be here.
That sounds good.
Yeah, there we go. Okay, that's today's episode. Thank you guys for watching. I'm Tyler. Tony, you got anything to say? What are you doing? You want to talk a little bit where you're going?
We're moving out to Niagara. Me and my girlfriend. We're starting hashtag van life. Heading out to Niagara for our first job.
Cool. And what are you doing?
We're working on a farm/vineyard, so
cool.
It would be kind of cool.
Now, if people want to keep up with you, Tony, where can they go?
We're actually starting our own YouTube channel as well. We're sort of exploring names right now, but we leave tomorrow. So tomorrow we got a 36-hour drive through Saskatchewan, Manitoba, through the bigger part of Ontario, Toronto, Hamilton, and then Niagara is right by the US border.
Yeah, if you're not familiar with Canada, which I'm sure many of you aren't, he's right by Toronto. Toronto's like...
We have one highway that runs from one end to the other. We're just running along that highway.
Exactly. So Tony is starting up this van life thing. He's got a sweet camper. I checked it out. It's awesome. And he's just going to become a real hippie out there.
That's the plan.
Living it up.
I mean, we do have a shower. We do have toilets. So all the things are there.
You going to have internet?
We don't know. We don't know yet.
Interesting.
Yeah.
There you go. keep up with Tony. Do you want to throw it on your Instagram here too? Is that stuff going on there?
We'll figure it out.
Okay.
We'll figure it out.
Okay.
Yeah.
Keep an eye out for that. We'll keep you updated maybe with a little bit of Tony's stuff.
Maybe shoot some puzzle stuff
Yeah.
along the way.
Shoot some puzzle stuff out there,
Yeah,
Tony.
that'd be
Send
cool.
us a video. I would love that. So cool. Thank you guys for watching episode 85, Puzzle Time with Tyler and not Tony anymore.
Oh.
See ya.
See you.